are you trying to explain? There's no explanation for this. It's a blizzard. It's Twister in a blizzard. Oops. More fun. Yeah, remember the winter snowfall? The polar vortex? Yeah, I'm thinking it might be the Dini vortex. I'm speechless. Truly speechless. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Meanwhile, Jack, I want no part of this. I'm leaving. Alley cat, what do you think? I really have nothing to say about this. I'm just going to watch a snort. Do you think she's guilty? Do you think? Who's the guilty party? Oh, could that possibly be you? Girls, girls, girls. Oh boy. This is going to be tough to explain to Dad. Oh, maybe he'll just feel like he's back in Canada with all the snow. Oh boy, oh boy. No, don't even think about it. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. Just go with the innocent look. Funny girls. Mess. What an absolute mess. Eh. Oh well. Welcome to snowfall in Florida. This is our version of having to shovel. Who knew that one Stuffie could have so much snow? Funny girls. Funny, funny. I'm not quite done yet. The Great Dane blizzard continues. What do you think? Funny girls. I know, just, I know. What else? There's nothing to say. All right, we'll just say, let it rip. Here we go. Whoops. Oh, wait. Dad's trying to convince you guys to go out. I don't think Dad wants to see the snowstorm. I don't think that would be a good idea. No, what do you think? All right, come on. It's bedtime. Bring your snow to bed. Come on, let's go. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, kick up your heels in the snow. Funny girls. Funny, funny girls. Oh. Oh, there's still more snow to fall. All right. Say goodnight, silly girls.